Good evening, everyone. I'm Martin Luther King III. The other day, I was asked what one should do to maintain a positive perspective in the midst of a devastating crisis. I knew my friend was referring to the crisis we face right now. And in that vein, I want to speak to you on the reality of the coronavirus pandemic. I understand that many are struggling to make ends meet in this highly difficult time. Many Americans depend on the meals their children received at school and are now worried about how they will be able to feed their families. Many people are suddenly out of work. These unprecedented times can easily overwhelm anybody. I'm concerned about how the coronavirus may affect our dwindling democracy. Unfortunately, at this early stage, we do not know where this is going and how long this unusual period will last, or what the lasting impacts of the novel coronavirus will be. But at this time, it's very important for not only the governments, but all people to listen to the scientists and follow their guidance until the curve flattens out. Yet it's amazing to see all of those on the front line, including healthcare professionals and volunteers who are doing all that they can to save our fellow human beings. I can't say when we will get through this, but what I can say is that historically, humanity has always found a way to overcome the most difficult and unprecedented challenges. I want to share this with you, what my father, Martin Luther King Jr., shared with the world during his lifetime. He said, "We are caught in an inescapable network of mutuality, tied in a single garment of destiny. Whatever affects one directly affects all indirectly." We should do several things to maintain a positive perspective in the midst of a crisis. Number one, stay attentive to the news, especially officials and trusted sources. Number two, work together as we do whenever a crisis occurs. Number three, take care of yourself and your family and the poor and marginalized who need our assistance now more than ever before. Number four, don't allow any anti-democratic forces at the national or local level to take advantage of the crisis to undermine our democracy. Number five, pray and always remain realistically hopeful by knowing that love will have the last word. Number six, and no matter what, don't ever give up. We all need each other now more than ever before. And in order to overcome this challenge, it will take all of us to work together and look out for each other in ways we have never experienced before. Stay vigilant and stay healthy.